Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change the currency on Taobao. For example, to US dollars, so you can view prices in your local money. So here guys, first is you need to open your Taobao website and make sure you are logged into your account. So you can go to the world.taobao.com guys. You can use the global version of Taobao which supports English and it can show currency options for international users. And on the website, guys, you can scroll to the bottom and change the currency from the footer. And you can also use their customer service. And on the app, guys, you can also go to settings and find a currency option if supported. Note, guys, that changing the currency is for display only. You'll still be charged in Chinese money during checkout. And that's how you can change the currency on Taobao, guys. And please like and subscribe for more helpful shopping tutorials. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!